So hello dear students. So let us go to the next topic, that is the zoning regulations. So zoning means it is dividing the area of the city or a town into different categories or different zones. So mainly this zoning is like the division of the city into residential zone, commercial zone, mixed residential commercial zone, industrial zone. Okay, so these are the different zones that are made by the local authorities. Okay, local government bodies or local government authorities, they are going to divide the area of the city or the town into different zones. That is what the zoning means. So zoning regulations means there are certain rules and regulations to be followed according to the bylaws of the local authorities, how the zoning should be done. So as I told you, there are different zones. So that is the residential zone, commercial zone, mixed residential and commercial, and industrial zone. So residential zone means it is a area marked out in the city wherein we can only construct the home, apartment or any other residential structure. Now commercial zone means usually it is given for the establishment of business shops. Okay, so mainly business structures are located there. In mixed residential and commercial, so both we can find residential home and the commercial complexes, business malls as well. So industrial zone means it is an area earmarked or standardized for constructing only the industries. So one thing we have to see, that one zone shouldn't encroach into the other zone. Okay, so now if you are having a residential zone and there are only home, apartment, flats like that which are completely residential, so there should not be any commercial complexes or cinema hall. Okay, so bigger shopping complexes in between this area or in between this zone. So in between homes there shouldn't be any cinema theater or public malls or something like that. That is what the meaning of one zone should not encroach into the other zone. So similarly, if we consider the industrial zone, so this is very important. So in the industrial zone there should only be the industries. Okay, the construction of industries should take place there. So there shouldn't be any residential area nearby that zone. Okay, so there are certain rules and regulations that some radius or some diameter is marked out. So within that radius or diameter only industries should be constructed. There should be no other complexes of residential use or commercial use. So this is because the smoke or the dangerous gases that are emitted out from the industries, or if in case there is any leak of dangerous gases or smoke from the industries, so that shouldn't affect the home or the residential area if at all it is constructed in the industrial zone. That is why the residential zone is kept very far away from the industrial zone. And this also gives a systematic development of the city. Okay, the systematic arrangement of different zone, so that the population will also be well distributed. So the population will not be like encroaching, or the population will not be more in one area if we are dividing the city into different zones. So this is all about the zoning regulations.